Hi, how are you? Let's draw a nice scenery here. You can see it's a nice canvas, and we're just putting a line, probably a thick line here, just from left side to the right side. And for drawing different types of drawings, we use different types of color combinations. So I just drew the line with the pencil. Now I'm using the crayons to draw the nice scenery here. So you can see the crayon is the darker at the last end and getting lighter as it coming to the downward directions. Okay, so it's usually the landscape, you can see. Okay, then we're going to draw a nice bench in this location. Okay, so putting the thickness to the bench, another one here. All right, this is the seating arrangement. As you know, for the freehand drawing, usually we don't use any kinds of instruments. The whatever scenery we're drawing, we just draw it with our freehand. Okay, and on the top we can put another bench here. This is the place for resting. Let's put a couple just sitting here. So one couple here and putting it. And another couple you can see here. Okay, and the head. All right, let's do the details of the head with the pencil, and other detail you can see on the side. Okay, so they are just sitting here. Okay, putting the legs. All right. So these are the few details. So two person, they're sitting here, putting the grasses, which are taller grasses. Some are little bit lower, some are little bit higher. Okay, so these are the landscapes with the grasses, and you can see some special drawings on top of the grasses. Something looks like the flowers or other ornamentations. Okay, all right. Okay, all right, so there's the usual drawing, and the progress is going on. If you want to make it a lake view scenery, then we're going to put some other scenery scapes here. You can see, just draw a straight line here from left to right, and the mountains just going on in a far distance, just putting the shades on the one sides of the mountains. Okay, putting another mountains. And putting the shades, it's the reflections just on the water. Okay, and the mountains just on the other side. So also we can put the reflections on the water from this side, and other water body, there are the few lines. Okay, it can show the waves. For the sun in the sky, just drawing a circle and putting the shades around the circle, just to show the sun in the sky. So putting the borders here little bit darker. And few shades you can put on the sun. Alright, so the total scenery drawing is complete, and it's a very simple and nice scenery. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Do practice at home, and the drawing is going to be fine for you too. Thank you so much. Have a good day.